In 2021, it is possible for you to compare one product with different channels. You can go online, check it on portals if it makes sense. There you will see 5,000, I'm exaggerating this case, 5,000 different offer companies who are offering it. You can go to your personal consultant and ask him for his opinion. You can also go to your employer, you can ask your friends, and so on and so on. Because we are somewhat driven to check out if a product is the best or the cheapest which we can get for. Yeah. And in this video, I am teaching you and explaining you why that makes in the end no sense. Anyways, my name is Janbir Mahal and you're watching India Initiative.
Do you want to build wealth in Germany and insure yourself correctly or probably? Then get in touch with India Initiative and my team will consult you in the best way possible. India Initiative Financial Consulting, Premier Advisory Services for Indian experts.
To explain this, I have a very nice story for you to get a picture there drawn. And I'm doing this while explaining you a customer experience which I had a couple of months ago when a customer called me, and we wanted to have a wealth consultant, and we had 10 hours of consultation sessions, not in one go, but in different meetings to decide about his pension, how to do that, and also buying a house. He was interested how to do this in Germany and what makes sense for him. Anyways, after doing all of this work and deciding how to go and build the concept for him, my back office has sent him all the offers with the banks and the companies. And after, I think it has been a week or so, I haven't heard anything about this guy. Yeah. Then he called me, told me thank you for everything, and I checked all the documents, but I was somehow not understanding why you, John, did only send maybe one or two different companies for each product. I mean, I'm signing 6 different products, and I get this concept, but there are not enough different companies who are offering it. I would want to have more variations there to check it if it makes sense to go with this or that company. After telling me that, I was a little bit astonished in that moment and thought about how to explain him that this is not the right approach. And this is when I remembered that this guy loved to cook biryani. He was like a passionate cook, and try to give him an example there. That's why I asked him if he would like to send me his recipe or whatever he has to cook a biryani and how he's actually doing it. And then he was very proud and was telling me that he has a very unique biryani recipe there, where he has tweaked some stuff there to get the best biryani I can make for myself. Then I asked him okay, that sounds very interesting and also super yummy, but can you tell me exactly what's written there in this recipe? Maybe there is some brief explanation would be nice to get on the phone. And then he started to tell me that there's that there are ingredients written what you need for a biryani, what kind of spices, what kind of rice, and if you're doing it with meat or not, and what kind of vegetables you're putting in it. And of course, a manual how to cook it the way to get the best tasting biryani for yourself. And I was like, okay. And what else is written there? What is something additionally written in this recipe? And he was like, nothing else. What else should there be written? Is the ingredients and the ratio, how to mix it and how long to cook it. And then how to do it. Like, okay. And there's not written anything about what company the rice has to be, because I think I would want to have a different variation of rice from you compared to get the best rice for myself, and also spices. I mean, there are tons of different companies who are offering it. You don't put that in there? And he was like, of course not. Makes no sense. The ratio of the rice and the vegetables and the way how you're cooking is way more important than whatever is written from which company it is. That is, he said. I can't completely say how he said it, but it was something like, the ratio is you can have the best rice. It will not make sense if you don't know how to put it in the right way to get the best taste. But while he was telling me that, he caught himself what I was trying to give him as an example there. This is when he caught himself that I was trying to tell him it makes no sense to get the best rice, and compare different kinds of rice companies for your biryani. What is more important is the ratio, how long the rice needs to be cooked, yeah? And what kind of spices you're putting in it, yeah? And also the meat and all the vegetables to get the best biryani. Because the same is also true for your financial concept and your products. Sure, we are in an age where you can compare everything actually, yeah. And I don't know why that is so crazy in the financial sector, yeah. But to be honest, of course, it is important to have a good company. If you're talking about products which should last there for the next 10, 15, 20, 25, 40 years, obviously it is important to have a very good company there who's handling your case. Yeah? Sustainability is important there. But in the end, yeah, the ratio of the different products combined into a concept is the most important thing than if you have a product which has like best in that year and the cheapest in this year. This will not make you any difference and certainly will not help you to gather good wealth there and build up good wealth there, yeah, which is also long lasting and also not shakable in the foundation now. So long story short, next time when you're comparing different companies for one product, just go more in detail with the concept. And for this, you of course should go with a consultant, not do this on your own, because you know we Indians, we go one time hardcore into a research phase and then we forget about it. Yeah, this is also not the right way, because whatever you're doing now makes sense now, but a product like something for your pension or your house loan or your investments, they need ongoing consulting, ongoing service to also always do the fine tuning and the correction when you're moving through life, to get it always cut to your situation which you are. If you like these kind of videos, please share this video. Also press the like button. Yeah, this way we are making the channel bigger. Yeah, it would be super nice if we gather more and more of a community on this channel to get them the best knowledge they need for themselves to establish a life in Germany. You like that kind of video? Yeah? We are offering different topics here: financing topic, banking topics, insurance topic, investment topic. And if there's a topic which you like for you to pick up and make a video about it, then hit the like button first and then also put it in the comment section so I can read it and then I will make a video about this topic. Thanks.